Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crunchy pickles. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect cucumbers. For truly crunchy pickles, choose small, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally between 3 and 5 inches in length. Avoid any with soft spots or blemishes, as these can lead to a less desirable texture. Freshness is key here, so pick them right from the garden or a local market for optimal results. Next, let's prepare your brine, which is crucial for both flavor and crunch. A good starting point is a 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar to water. For every cup of liquid, add about 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. Don't forget to include fresh dill, garlic cloves, and your favorite pickling spices to infuse those classic flavors into your cucumbers. Heat the brine gently to dissolve the salt. Now it's time to pack your jars. A vital tip for crunch is to trim off both ends of your cucumbers, as these contain enzymes that can soften your pickles. Pack your chosen cucumbers tightly into clean, sterilized jars. Once packed, carefully pour your hot brine over them, making sure every cucumber is completely submerged. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Finally, let's talk about storage to ensure your pickles stay wonderfully crunchy. If you're canning, seal your jars tightly and process them in a water bath according to safety guidelines. For best results, store your finished pickles in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks before opening. Once opened, always refrigerate them to maintain that satisfying crispness for weeks to come. Enjoy your homemade crunchy pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.